bit of a storm going on here. I'm on the couch on the RV. It's storming out tonight. Could hear the rain and the wind. Sounds nice. Leah's at work. We're still unpacking boxes. I'm glad there's no checking for leaks and stuff. No leaks with all this rain and storming. Leah saw the little Christmas tree and she got excited. I did not get to record it though. There's some slight flooding right outside the RV, but nothing too bad. About an inch of water. No water on the floor at all. There's the wind. You heard that? Thump, thump, thump. It's probably the skirting that I put on making the thump sounds. That's a car next door. Yeah, everything looks good. Holding up in a pretty heavy storm here. It's been raining for hours now. Lots of wind, lots of rain, no drips in here, no leaks, nothing. I got the light off, so I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see from this angle. I'll go back to the other view. So this has taken so long to set everything up. Minor issues, but nothing too bad. Like I noticed, oh, sorry, standing up. I noticed over here behind my Battle of Gettysburg slate stone art. This piece here, it's such minor stuff. This piece here is loose. So I could just put some epoxy in there or something. But for now, I have the slate against it. I have not even turned the TV on yet. We haven't done too much in the bedroom yet. Just unpacking stuff. Let's see, is everything good in here? I didn't really check too well. We got some cold proofing here. Just taped over the door and windows. We gotta do this wall, the ceiling, and that wall, and also on the outside, because there's wind coming in from there, but it's not too bad. It's just a little bit of wind. Like a little draft right there. But I am happy to say it's like literally it was downpouring. There's no drops, there's no drips, there's no anything. Checking the vents, they all look good. What is that? A leaf? Leaves. Yeah, everything looks good. Cool. So this is where I've been chilling out. Leah just texted me asking me for the temps. It's 43 in here, 48 underneath. These are both outside, 45, 45. Okay. A little bit of a storm going on here. Alright. That's it for me, I guess. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like outside. It's chilling out a little bit. It's a little bit of water all right along there. This skirting is all holding up really well. The ground is a little mucky. But overall, everything looks pretty good. Let's close this up. Oh, God. I'm just going to walk around here, just check everything. Luckily, it doesn't look like there's any water really too badly pooling under the RV. Right here is a little bad. Yeah, right there is bad. Right here is also pretty bad. Something to keep an eye on. Oops. Forgot to bring the firewood in. Alright, so I got about an hour before I pick up Leah from work. I just wanted to go check on the RV during the storm. Sun's starting to come up now. I got some Dunkin'. Has sugar in it. I'm gonna stop sugar again. Not tomorrow, but the next day. Usually I have a good time if I give myself a little bit of a leeway to quit sugar again. Give myself a few days. Lower the amount of sugar I put in the coffee over those days, and then go back to stevia. And then I'm fine again for months. It's just I'll have like a, I don't know, like a bad day, and I'm like, I want sugar. Give me sugar in my coffee. It's not a coffee at all, it's a milkshake. Yeah, so that happens every now and then, but I always just stop again. My voice is a little messed up because I was singing along to songs all night. I had the night off tonight. Leah had to work, so I decided to do this and a couple little silly videos that I've already uploaded. Not too much to really go over with the storm here. The RV looked fine. Nothing wet inside, nothing too bad outside. The skirting all held up against the wind. That keeps the heat underneath the RV. Sometimes it's been hotter under the RV than inside the RV with that skirting, so that's interesting. We still got to put the water on, and put food in the fridge, and some other minor things, but we're getting there. Got a few more things to bring over, some clothes, some bins, some boxes, books, stuff like that. And then we will officially be full-time in the RV. I'm not awake. I fell asleep when I shouldn't have at about 2 in the morning. Slept from about 2 to 4. And I had some kind of crazy nightmare. I woke up and my pulse was like, my heart was like pounding out of my chest. And it wouldn't stop. I drank some water. I was like, nope. I was like, all right, I know what happened. I missed my beta blocker because I slept through yesterday. I slept like 20 hours. Was on Leah's day off, so we both slept 20 hours. Just because, well, she got a flu shot, and that kind of knocked her out. And I'm just exhausted all the time, so thyroid stuff. The storm is making me tired. I put on rain sounds to go to sleep on YouTube. I put it on my phone. Rain on car, rain on RV, play, 20 hours, go to sleep. So, I've kind of trained myself to be tired during rain. That's not good. Everything's pretty much... I thought there was going to be a lot more mess moving the stuff over into the RV. Like, just boxes everywhere, but there's really not. And I'm like, wow, I thought I had a lot of stuff, but I guess not. The thing I don't know what to do about is my flake pile. Because people want those flakes for flint and steel and for knapping small points. I don't know what to do with those. It's a pile of chert and flint for flint knapping, for making arrowheads and stone tools. I got the hiccups. Overall, I had a pretty good night. I have not edited videos in 2 days now. These I'm just piecing together on my phone and uploading them. The RV vlog stuff, RV life vlog. Yeah. I'm not going to talk for too long. I'm just getting some thoughts out. These are like in-between episodes of big projects that we have with the RV. Just little updates and little things I'm noticing. Starting the RV journey here. It's a lot to move into an RV. It's just a lot. Especially if you're both working full-time. It's like... Ooh. Almost dropped the phone. I can't wait to get my plans underway here. Super excited about them all. Whew. I can't say anything yet. But it's all going to be on the channel. So, subscribe. Notifications on so you see it. YouTube changed. If you don't have all notifications selected, you're barely going to get any updates from me whatsoever. So, you know how the algorithms go. They're constantly changing. Alright. It's 6:35 a.m. I have to get going in a minute, get driving. Oh, man. Brain freeze. So, random question, nothing to do with anything. When the creeks flood and there's rapids, what happens to the brook trout? Do they just get thrown? What happens? Has anybody tried fishing in like extreme weather? Brook trout. I've made fun of that in other episodes. I was like, the fish were like, blip, blip, blip. Okay, you can tell I'm tired. I'm thinking about brook trout in a storm. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you guys soon. Like, comment, sub. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about the RV stuff. I do not know too much about this. I'm learning as I go. So if you have any tips, pro tips, let me know. See you guys soon.